setup, process mechanism, material removal, how to create a vacuum, process capability, advantage, disadvantage of EBM, and lastly the application of the EBM. So, introduction of EBM. Electron beam machining is a thermal material removal process that utilizes a focused beam of high velocity electron to perform high speed drilling of cutting purpose. The mechanism of material removal is primarily by the melting of and rapid vaporization due to instant heating of by the electron. This is a cross-section diagram of the experimental setup of EBM. Here you can see here high voltage supply means here we can supply the DC volt around 30 to 35 kilowatt, and here is you can see cathode, base grid, and all part of vacuum gas, aperture, magnetic lens, telescope, deflector coil, and electromagnetic coils, etc. And firstly, we discuss about the cathode. What is cathode? Cathode is made with the tungsten materials. It is applied high voltage and is sustained around 2500 degrees Celsius. The cathode is thermodynamic emission of electron, thermally introduced flow of electron from the surface. It is negatively based on repel of the electron. Bias grid. Bias grid, it is high negatively based control to the flow of electron to avoid the divergence of the electron. Now anode. The anode is positively based terminal due to potential difference. The cathode and anode, the electron accelerated. Velocity of the electron around half of the light of the velocity means 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now magnetic lens. What is magnetic lens? What is the function of magnetic lens? The basic function of the magnetic lens is the same as any type of lens. It concentrates the beam of electron and give the shape of the beam, and also reduce the divergence of the beam. An electromagnetic lens is a similar type of a magnetic lens, but it is used to focus the electron beam onto the workpiece. And the electromagnetic lens is used to also give the particular spot. Here now deflector coil. The deflector coil is the electron beam of a small amount correct to the beam case of any getting proper hole shape and to improve the shape of the machine hole. Illuminating system under the telescope. It is used to simulating of the lineup of the electron beam with the workpiece. Yeah, the basic fundamental of the setup is vacuum creation. Without vacuum creation, we can't machine in the EBM machining process. So, whole process carried out in a vacuum chamber. So now, in this cross-section diagram, there are many components are there. Firstly, here you can see heater, boiler, cooling coils, nozzle, vacuum pump. The main mechanism of the vacuum creation is the oil is heated with the help of heater, and after the heating of oil, the oil goes to the upper direction, and there are four different type of the nozzle inside the chamber. It is used to control the flow of the oil vapor. And here is the vacuum pump. Vacuum pump is used to remove the air resistance and create a vacuum. Some mechanism of the material removal. As high voltage is applied across the cathode filament, thermodynamic emission of electron takes place. This electron beam of electron is shaped into a focus with the help of series of magnetic and electromagnetic lens. Finally, the electron beam impacts the workpiece. The mechanism of material removal we can see with the help of diagram. Firstly, the electron comes to the magnetic lens and strike the workpiece. After the striking the workpiece, we can see the gradually formation of hole is shown in the figure. After the creation of hole, the penetration till of the auxiliary support, and finally we can see that the removal of the high vapor pressure. Some process parameter of EVM machine. Acceleration velocity around 100 kV, beam current around 250 microampere to 1 ampere, and etc. So come to the next point, the process capability. The EVM can provide a hole of around 100 micrometer to 2 mm with a depth of 50 mm. It is depend upon the diameter of the hole, or also depend upon the depth of the cut. The hole can be tapered along with the depth of barrel shape by the focusing of the beam below the surface of reverse taper can also be obtained. Generally, bar formation does not occur in EVM. What do we understand the bar formation? Bar formation means when we are cutting one workpiece with the help of hacksaw. That time we can see that some material inside the workpiece. So in this machining process, there are no material formation in the workpiece. So some advantage of the EVM machining. EVM provides very high drilling rate when small hole with large aspect ratio to be drilled. Further, for the same region, fragile and brittle material can also be pursued. The heat affected zone is in EVM laser either less due to shorter pulse. Some disadvantage of the EVM machining. The primary illumination are highly capital cost of the equipment and necessary regular maintenance applicable for any equipment using the vacuum system. Moreover, in EVM there is a significant amount of the non-productive pump down period for the attaining desired vacuum. Some application are of EVM machining, drilling, pattern generation, or etc. You can see. Thank you.